Alrighty, my friends, today on Generations of Iron, I have two pieces of Harley-Davidson history here. Over on this side, the 1978 Low Rider. Over here, the 1976 FXE Super Glide. This bike right here is owned by my good friend Ethan. This is bone stock. He got this thing. It was basically in pieces, in boxes. Had it all put back together here. He did some work. Some of our friends who are master technicians did some work. And it is an absolute beast running motorcycle. He went ahead and put some knobbies on it. He really likes that look and that ride style there. Old school AMF tank. Got the white bags on here. Just a great looking vintage Harley-Davidson Low Rider. And of course, if you are a fan of this channel, we have my 1976 FXE Shovelhead, the Super Glide. This is not bone stock. It has an 84 stroker in it. Thunder header. I've got the Lepera seat on here. Huge fan of the Leperas. I put on some Pirelli Night Dragons. Just like the way they look. I've got running the Super B carb on here. And I know some people give me grief about my stickers on my bike. Guess what? My bike, not your bike. You don't want to put stickers on your bike? Don't put stickers on your bike. But don't worry about me putting stickers on my bike. Got the custom-made risers, straight across handlebars. This bike is also an extremely strong running motorcycle. So there you have it, my friends. Two pieces of absolute Harley-Davidson history. One has actually hit 50 years old. One is close to being 50 years old. Both of them are still out on the road being ridden daily. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe. I do just truly appreciate it. Not trying to quit my day job, but definitely want to keep this channel going. All right. Thank you so much, my friends. And always remember, enjoy and ride safe.